If you're looking for a product that's going to save you money but still deliver the goods, we 100% recommend the Frigidaire side-by-side refrigerator as the best affordable model in 2025. This model offers a special produce drawer designed to keep your fruits and veggies fresh longer, thanks to a seal that locks out dry air and a filter that speeds up ripening. The even temp cooling system is another standout feature, ensuring your food stays fresh by quickly adjusting to temperature changes. It consistently circulates cool air throughout both the fridge and freezer, maintaining an even temperature from top to bottom. Say goodbye to freezer burn with the variable speed compressor, which quickly reacts to temperature shifts and keeps airflow steady. The organization is a breeze with flexible storage options, including 3 removable glass shelves, an adjustable gallon door bin, and a slim ice maker that can hold up to 9 pounds of ice without hogging shelf space. There's also a handy drawer for organizing deli meats and cheeses, making them easy to grab when you need them. This refrigerator is ENERGY STAR certified, which means it's designed to save you money on your energy bills while being environmentally friendly. Plus, the Pure Pour water filter is a great addition, reducing up to 99% of contaminants, which means cleaner, better tasting water and less reliance on bottled water. This stylish appliance not only enhances your kitchen with its sleek silver design, but also provides 25.6 cubic feet of well-organized storage space for your food and drinks. With its reliable water and air filters and a convenient water and ice dispenser, you'll always have fresh water and ice at your fingertips. For its price, we find this one highly impressive. If you're searching for a refrigerator that delivers great value for your investment, this GE French door refrigerator is a top choice. We're looking at a model that includes user-friendly interior controls with a precise temperature display so you always know how cold your fridge is. It features LED lighting that brightens up the food compartments, a vegetable drawer, and climate-controlled areas without taking up extra space, making it easier to find your favorite snacks. The fridge's quick space shelf is a handy feature, allowing you to adjust the shelves quickly to accommodate tall bottles or large platters. Plus, it has a spill-resistant shelf designed to contain minor spills, making cleanup a breeze. You can effortlessly store a variety of foods thanks to flexible shelving options, including 2 humidity-controlled drawers, ideal for keeping fruits and vegetables crisp, and a full-width drawer for party platters or cakes. One standout feature is the factory-installed ice maker with a water filtration system. This system includes GE's exclusive pharmaceutical filtration, which removes 98% of trace pharmaceuticals from your water and ice, ensuring you enjoy clean, great-tasting beverages. The internal water dispenser is another convenient touch, providing fresh, chilled water at the push of a button without disrupting the sleek exterior design. The refrigerator is crafted from fingerprint-resistant stainless steel, ensuring it remains spotless and easy to maintain, even in a busy household. Its advanced filtration system effectively reduces traces of ibuprofen, atenol, fluoxetine, progesterone, and trimethoprim, so you can have peace of mind about the quality of your water and ice. With its combination of style, functionality, and innovative features, the GE French door refrigerator is an excellent investment for any kitchen. It works great. A big thumbs up from here.